Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Evan Cross.
I'm Jason Woodworth, and today we're going to talk about stage 3 of our classic restoration build.
We're going to break this down into a couple different chapters for you guys today. What we've done to the exterior of the vehicle, what we've done to the interior, our lights, our wheels, and our suspension, and some of our sponsors that have helped us get here.
Yeah, absolutely. Some really cool stuff.
So starting off with the exterior, what have we done? Well, really, before you do anything to the vehicle, you got to start off with a clean slate. So what we did is we worked with our team at CSN Collision to make sure that we addressed the bodywork that was needed. We had the front bumper painted, the rocker panel dent repaired, and along with that, we had the removal of some of our aluminum and chrome trim, just to give it that black on black look that we were going for. From there, we worked with our team at Protex Kelowna to give it a unique touch, and also protect some of the bodywork that was just completed as well. We've chosen to go with an Expel wrap in their stealth finish, which provides a nice, clean stealth look in satin, just to kind of give it something a little more unique, but also, like I said, protect it for when we're taking this thing through the bush. And then on top of that, of course, what else are you going to need when you take this thing off-road? Well, you're going to need some steel bumpers.
Absolutely.
Protect yourself against some of the rock and the shale that we find out here in Kelowna. So we worked with a team called Jekyll Fab. They actually custom fabbed some bumpers for us for the front, the rear, but also a skid plate as well too. Very excited about that.
On the exterior, we also have some good accessories that we've had added as well. We've got the Sherpa roof rack that was provided by another one of our good sponsors at Crave Automotive. We also have the rigid tire carrier, which is a hitch mount carrier that was also provided by Capit, which so far has been a great addition to the rig.
Cool to put that fifth tire on the back as well, give it that real off-road look.
Yeah, it looks great. Along with that, we also did have the Pelican boxes on the roof to carry some of our Porsche equipment accessories, which proves to be some good added storage for on those longer trips.
Oh yeah. And then what the plan is, we're actually gonna go back and forth between those Pelican cases with our Porsche rooftop tent. So depending on the journey at hand, we can cycle back and forth thanks to the very easy modular Sherpa roof rack and mounting some of the mounting solutions on there as well too.
What is a good off-road vehicle without a good set of wheels and tires, a good lift to fit those bigger, beefy tires? So what we've done is we've equipped the vehicle with a coilover suspension lift from Eurowise. We've got that installed along with the 18-inch set of Black Rhino Taiga wheels that we did have custom painted in a black satin finish. And with that, of course, we got the Yokohama Geolandar M 003s, which is like one of my favorite tires.
I think you got those on your personal vehicle, don't you?
I do.
All
yeah,
right.
I do. Which is, I think so far they've not only looked good, they've performed well in some of the testing we've done, and I think they've really stood up to the test for sure.
Yeah, I think that's the big thing is that, obviously there's a lot of tire options out there, but to go with, these Yokohamas that we have chosen here, definitely one of the more rugged tires you're going to see on a Porsche, even a Cayenne, but with some of the testing that Jason alluded to, they get the job done is what we need to do. So let's talk lights. Final touch for the exterior is we went with a set of Vivid Lumen pod lights, 40-inch light bar, low beam and high beam bulbs, really kind of completing the whole package of what we wanted. We have chosen to go with amber light bar and amber fog lights, kind of tying in with some of the balance of the white light that we do get from the high beams and low beams, but then having our fog lights and our light bar on top with the amber, I think really kind of completes that off-road look that a lot of people are going with nowadays.
Absolutely.
To create something I think that's a little more unique, a little more exciting, and looks off-road.
Yeah, and to power those, we went with a Switch Pros light panel on the interior. It's custom mounted just above the dash panel on the left-hand side. Really great switch panel, multiple functionalities. It not only powers lights, you can do onboard air compressors, you can use to power additional fans. So a really versatile unit and something great to have installed there. I think it's an awesome addition. And as long as with that, we also have the Garmin Tread XL that's mounted up on the windshield. Gives us all the additional maps for off-road, on-road, but really gives us that essential map for doing those off-road expeditions.
So special thanks to our sponsors for helping us get here. Really couldn't have done it without you. Played a major role in getting the Cayenne to where we are today. Special thanks to Porsche Center Kelowna and the Wine Group for starting this project. Yokohama Tires for providing 5 Geolandar MTG003s, helping us get that look and that kind of grip that we're really looking for. CSN Collisions for completing the bodywork, as I alluded to previously, the front bumper paint, the rocker panel repair, and the black hood of all of our trim. Vivid Lumen Lighting, the light bar, the pod lights, our bulbs as well too. Crave Automotive for helping us source the roof rack. Tuner Works for helping us find something that looked Porsche, touched into some of the heritage with those Black Rhino wheels, but still kind of gave it that rugged look that we needed. And again, our team at Porsche Center Kelowna for really helping us get here. And last but not least, Protex Kelowna for installing our Expel Satin Stealth Wrap, again, giving it the protection we were looking for, but also something that is truly unique. So thank you to everyone. Again, we couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, and if you want to check out some of the earlier stages of the build, also check out why we're doing this, you can head on over to the Porsche Center Kelowna website, click on news and events to see our landing page, and check it out.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.